Yeah, we can do backstory. What's our backstory?
I lost my parents in a house fire, and you guys found me on the side of the road.
It's not at all what happened.
Well, it's backstory. It's fabricated. It's social media. No, you think any of that's real?
I was bored.
You were bored, so you found me on the side of the road and adopted me.
No, you're not adopted.
Oh. Wait,
Sorry.
Wait, then what am I? Hello, Z-Labs customers. Welcome to our first more long format video.
I guess.
I mean, it's not less than a minute, so it's gonna be on YouTube. This is gonna be longer than a minute, so there's no way you can fit this as a short.
Yeah, no.
So
this is a long.
This is a long. So we're trying out this long thing on.
That's what she said.
Your mom. Your mom.
So why are we here? That's the question. Is what the heck are we doing with our lives, right? Yeah.
Right.
What are you doing with your life?
Listening to what you have to say.
Okay. Well, today I say that we're going to watch videos and react to it so that I can gain followership. I guess.
That way we can have our 7th episode of the Croc Melt series.
Yeah. So here's what we did, guys. So I was really bored and
very bored.
Very bored. And so I decided to come up with this weird mini-series of ways to torture crocodiles. And that's why we're here now. So you get to hear all of our thoughts, unfiltered, completely unfiltered and only believed. So
she found a funny Reddit meme is basically what she's trying to say.
Yeah, hold on here.
No Reddit gold for her, kind stranger.
Yeah, see, this is what we're talking about.
Yeah, see right there.
The melting point of a crocodile right there.
Now, oh look, it's my bed.
Yeah,
it's my room.
And you've made so many videos for me. This is all I can hear anytime I think about a video.
I have a problem.
You can see how bad I am using Cura now.
What if we melted a 3D printer?
How many of these did you end up printing, by the way?
I think we made 10.
10?
Yeah, we didn't do a video for all of them because some of them we were just experimenting on.
Oh, hey, we have that exact heat gun.
Oh, it's like it's me filming my own hand.
Is that your hand?
That is my hand.
You know, my parents still won't let me own one of those because that would be
This was
dangerous.
Infuriating, like how long it took for it to actually start melting. But you can see it annealing where it gets really shiny here. That was actually satisfying. And I was squishy.
Stab it.
So we did the first one, and we were like, well, what if we did some more, you know? So that takes us to the next, and I'll just edit all this.
Was that even the first one?
Yeah, it was.
No, hold on.
What? Where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, well, while he's going, let's look at the next one. Let's see, preview. Let's see what he's got up his sleeve. Oh yeah, so we had a whole bunch of ideas, and these have been sitting here fermenting for like 4 or 5 months now.
So
we got water. Yeah, we got one in water, and then we got one in IPA.
99%. This is the good stuff. This is what you can only legally get.
We should go light it on fire in the parking lot.
I don't want
this one.
Man.
Nothing happened to the water, and nothing. The only thing that happened with the IPA is some of the color from the PLA came off. It's trash.
That's about it.
It's really sad.
I wonder what it would smell like.
No, don't open it, please. No.
Oh.
Don't open it.
All right, I forget you're my boss. You can actually tell me what to do.
Yeah. So
right.
Yeah, we were like, okay, well, how can we make this crazy? Because it's fun. And so we were like, well, let's make it like a mini series. So then we ended up with this nonsense where we did like a 5 to 10 second rehash at the beginning of every video.
Yeah, but you made it at least a little interesting.
I actually learned a lot in my video editing software. I was having a blast. So.
I mean, I guess that's the important thing.
But like, it's like literally like a third of the video.
It is. Still have more Crocs. Oh, look, it's me!
So cheery.
See, I
like the faces. You make good faces.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's all about that visual communication. I took a whole class about this.
I need to take one of those.
Oh, there was the first initial crack.
Oh yeah,
and then it was just squishy for the rest of the time.
Yeah, that was actually really fun, this one. I enjoyed watching this happen because it took a lot of effort.
Yeah, I was tired by the end of that.
Let's see, I can't even remember like what we did next. Let's see what came after the vice.
Was it the?
Let's see. Let's see. Was it the? I think it was.
I think it was
yeah,
the hammer.
It was the hammer.
Yeah, hammer. Oh no. It's the hammer.
The hammer was.
Oh.
Oh yes, hold on. We're gonna pause for this one. This is my favorite graphic we've ever made for this company because Ray wanted to get in on this and he took it home and he photoshopped it for me and then I did all like the background and stuff like once he gave me the beautiful faces. Like this is fantastic.
That was such an awkward picture of me too.
It was so good. It was so good. So yeah, there's the rehash.
Yeah. I wish YouTube Shorts were longer.
This was a very nice pan.
That was a good shot.
Yeah, I did a good job with my my whatever that thing is. Trying out the.
I was a little upset that literally nothing happened. Then we had to pull out the big guns, the big melons.
Did you even like hit your fingers during this? Like,
I don't think so. I hit the desk a lot.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
bam!
Boom, there we go. Yeah.
Finally. And then,
let's go.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's
Beautiful.
Disintegrating.
I love microplastics.
Why?
Yummers.
You know, we're really visceral creatures. Like all of this is giving us so many good fuzzies right now.
It's so good. Like, is this why people like watching like fail videos? Yeah.
I love the face. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So, let's see what's coming up next now. What's up in here? Okay. What came after the hammer? I gotta remember. Was it the ice?
Possibly?
No. It must have been the firecracker then. Hold on.
This was like right after 4th of July, right?
Yeah.
Because we made a post about it on our Facebook and Instagram and all that.
Let's see. I had fun with this one.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I was in a weird mood the day I made that intro. I don't know what was going through my brain.
Today's test subject, let's light it on fire.
Help.
Dude, it was so... Oh, there I am again!
America.
Oh, say, can you see?
This was actually, I think the first one was the best one out of all of them.
Yeah?
In terms of like disintegration. Because we were like, okay, let's keep hooking up more little fire things to it. And it got more dramatic and required more fire extinguisher at the end, which my husband was the hype man.
Yeah. Look, there's me. 4. Yeah, we were like 3. Nah, 4 is where it's at.
Yeah.
Which was surprisingly a little disappointing.
We had the gas guy who had come out to read our gas meter that day, and I was afraid he was going to call the cops or something.
Yeah. It was. You got to think of it as like an exponential kind of like curve. But like it kind of topped out. I think it was the way that we strapped it together.
Yeah, I think that had a big impact.
Next time I'm gonna like, do one in 4 corners.
Oh
one
my
in
God.
each corner.
Okay.
One in each corner. That way it burns at each side,
Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, there's nothing wrong with pyrotechnics.
So we went from fire to ice, and then we did the ice crocker.
Oh,
I froze this one for so long.
Let's have a firecrackers! It's my favorite. We spent like an hour just laughing over it and everything.
Yeah, and
Yeah. Allison really loves her effects.
Oh, look at this. Wait, it gets better. Look at the zooms and the pans.
Boom.
Oh, bam! Shake the screen.
Boom!
Yeah, I had fun with the big sledgehammer.
We bring the boom!
Deep in there.
Yeah, that ice was like, it was in there for a long time.
Deep.
I mean, it was soaking for a long time.
Yeah, I mean, okay, what are you trying to imply with that? Am I the reason why y'all can't have nice things?
You're not the only person that's the reason why we can't have that. I think the whole team has contributed to that.
Oh yeah, look at that. I think I'm so slick with that.
Yeah, that was a good one. Plus the burnout on the end, that was nice.
Oh, but dude, I can't get over firecrackers. This time I'm firecrackers. Last time.
Let's see. Okay, so this is our last one then, right?
Is this
The
last one?
Yeah, we made 6. So
Oh my
It
goodness.
was
And
the
we're doing
tumble.
this just to even the score?
Yeah, 7 is important.
Yeah, 7 is
7's important. We 3D printed something that had 7 sides earlier, and Matt gave me like a 10-minute spiel. Oh, see, this was very
Crocodile.
very fancy.
Yummers.
Yeah, so we got to use the rock tumbler that we've only gotten paid to use like twice now, so that was cool.
Yeah.
I like that face. You look like you had like stank face.
Well, look, like I said, you gotta go boom. Honestly, I don't understand the half the faces I make anyways.
It's okay.
Look, different shirt.
Yeah, it was literally
It's like
a
I
week
got
later.
It's like it was filmed on a different day.
Oh my
Whoa.
God, it's magic. Now see, this was fun.
Yeah.
But, like that is
I was-
ridiculous.
Yeah, I was.
For The Rock, I was expecting
it to be like
that beautiful
cracking
voice.
up, but got a really
I know
interesting
exactly what I'm talking
I
about.
loved the
Totally.
texture, but you were like freaked out by it. Like you were just like having an ick with it.
Yeah, we've already been through this. You know I don't like icky textures.
And this one, it was like nothing happened.
Yeah.
Literally no change. All right.
Oh,
Well-
goodness gracious! I hope that the Rock one never steps foot in this office again.
I still have
I
it.
hate-
I still have it over there. I saved them all, like little like art projects.
Get out! You need to leave.
Yeah, well, I don't know. That's probably enough diarrhea of the mouth for now. But you know, it was really fun, like finding all these creative ways to like violate these crocodiles, and like that was the most fun part, was coming up with new ways and then figuring out what worked and what didn't work.
Made me feel like a evil villain of sorts. The crocodile would certainly perish from this one.
Oh my goodness! Just you wait till we get the Christmas stuff going.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, I'm not
Yeah.
looking forward to making those.
Yeah, you're gonna be fine. All right. Well,
Okay.
how do we do this?
What was your favorite one out of all of them to make?
to make or to film? Because there is a difference.
I guess to film. I feel like that's more important.
So I enjoyed the filming for the firecracker one.
Firecracker
Because
one.
it attracted a lot of unsolicited attention in the parking lot, and people were like, "What are you guys doing?" But I think my favorite result was probably the first one, the melting one.
The first one?
Yeah.
That's good. That's fair. That is fair.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if I were to pick one, favorite one to film probably's got to be the ice one, smashing it with a giant sledgehammer.
Yeah.
There was a lot that we smashed with hammers. At least three of them.
I feel like we
There's
kind
always
of ran
three.
short on ways to destroy them
ran out of
differently.
ideas.
It just got down to
We were just
smashing.
we just put different status conditions on it.
I mean, I was
frozen, paralyzed.
I was really hoping this one would just disintegrate, but
I wanted to set it on fire, but no, that's a safety hazard.
yeah, I mean, if you want to see us do more things to 3D printed stuff, like and subscribe.
If you want to see more stuff about 3D printing in general, printers, slicing stuff, all sorts of things you don't see normally behind the curtain, make sure to like and subscribe. I guess we'll see you next time.